Etan?
Yeah, Yaadman Etan.
Etan?
Yeah.
Etan?
Yeah.
You like eat?
Listen now.
Hey, you don't know, so it's a girl Shenseea representing for Yaadman Etan. Shenseea straight from Jamaica representing in Atlanta. Yaadman, big up yourself.
Thank you very much, my dear.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
I'm so nervous.
I'm nervous.
How you feel right now, brother? How you feel? I'm nervous. Brother.
Shenseea, you ready?
See how we sexy and we have a little cute face.
Oh, you mean people don't know say about Yaadman Etan? This past weekend was Atlanta Dekalb Carnival. I finally met my crush. I finally met Shenseea. But that interview almost did not happen. And right now, a story time. Before me even get into the full interview with Shenseea, I want to tell you the story leading up to that interview. So there I was at Carnival, and throughout the whole day, I was just doing my usual coverage, just interviewing people. And the main question I was asking people, yo, I need advice on how to get a Caribbean girl. Isn't that was the funny question of the day. The advice that I would get from people, especially the artists, because you guys know in the last video that I did, you guys would know that I interviewed artists and asked them about how Yaadman can get a Caribbean girl. And then, when it came down to the concert time, I saw somebody. I saw Romeich. And when I saw Romeich, I knew Shenseea was not too far behind. And to be honest, I have met some Caribbean celebrities before, and I have never been nervous to meet them. I've never been nervous to interview them. But I was very nervous to meet Shenseea. Not just because I have a massive crush on Shenseea, but have you seen any of the comments that I put in her comment section? Everyone starts freaking out, everyone starts acting up around me, saying, yo, your baby mother is here, yo, your baby mother is here, yo, your future wife is here. You ready for Shenseea? You think Shenseea gonna know you? Hey, Shenseea, baby daddy. And I was like, oh my God, you're right. And this was literally how I was acting.
Yo, let's see me up, let's see me up, let's see me up.
My brethren was hyping up the whole thing. Especially my brethren twin. He saw when Shenseea walked in and walked out for a couple seconds.
Yeah man, Shenseea right us out. Yo baby, forward.
She is so much prettier in person. And for the people who know Shenseea, she hot on social media. So just imagine when I say Shenseea is prettier in person. Oh my God. Oh my God. And then the moment she got off stage, Shenseea was about to be mobbed and they rushed her back into the van. Me alongside another media team Caribbean Live TV was trying to get an interview with Shenseea. But she got locked in the van, and there were even fans back there who was trying to get pictures with Shenseea, and they turned everyone away. But when they realized that we were media, they're like, okay, you guys can stay. But then, Shenseea was not doing any interviews. At that moment, I was like, yo, what do I do? This is the moment that I've been hyping for the whole time. Yo, I can't let down myself, and most importantly, I can't let down my supporters. Yard Clan people them who follow me on Instagram, people them who subscribe to my YouTube. I can't let them down. So we're there pleading and we're begging security, please. And then the security was saying that we need to talk to her manager, you know, being Romeich. Romeich was saying no interview. And then at that moment I felt like just to give up. But then I looked at where I was, and I was literally standing right beside that van. And I'm like, Shenseea is right in that van. I need this interview, fam. And a bulb goes up in everyone's head, and everyone said that I was the only one who could possibly get that interview because of all of my Shenseea antics. So we started pleading with the security one more time, and everyone is saying how much Yaadman has been advertising Shenseea, how much Yaadman has been promoting Shenseea to be here for Atlanta Dekalb Carnival. And security said, we need to ask the manager. So everyone takes me and runs back with me to Romeich, and they push me right in front of Romeich and says, yo, please, just one interview just with him. Him being me. Give Yaadman Etan the interview, nobody else. And Romeich looked at me and was like, yeah, all right, sure. What? So when we get back to the van, and then Romeich gave the security the okay, and the security opened that van door. I want to be so honest with you, Shenseea looked upset. But then, when I sat down beside her, and she looked at me, and she realized who I was, all of a sudden, it was just laughter. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is the full interview. Yaadman Etan and Shenseea.
Yo, I'm there with the Shenyang boss, Shenseea. Yo, I don't know if you remember me, but months me live in your comment section.
I see you, man. I can't even talk right now, but I see you, but I want to do interviews, so I just have to know.
Yeah.
But I see you, man, and thanks for the support always.
Of course. First and foremost, I'm proud of you.
Thank
I'm
you.
proud of I am proud of the achievements that you've made, and I'm proud of the success and how you represent Jamaica moving forward.
Thank you.
Right? So, talk to me. I want to know something first. I know your voice gone, but I just want to talk to you for a little bit. So, is it look a Photoshop thing? Is it a Photoshop thing that may I drop on a regular?
Yeah.
You see me? All right, cool. I just want to make sure that the people them know say Shenseea. I see them something.
See them, man.
All right, cool. All right. I see that you also make it a point to really talk about, you know, mental health and where you are personally, you know, on social media.
Yeah.
Right? So I want to know, like, how do you, you know, how do you encourage young people moving forward to talk about, you know, the mental health and the situation that them going through and them sitting there?
Well, first of all, on social media, we all know it's a very, very mean place. So first of all, you just have to continue praying and be strong.
Yeah.
Listen to Shenseea songs to get some self-confidence, yes, to deal with all the hate. And I'm telling you, it's a very, very mean world out there. And just trust in God. Trust in God always.
Yeah, man, thank you very much. I have one request for a friend of mine. He doesn't know I'm doing this right now, but you know Dirty Berry, right?
Yeah.
His birthday is tomorrow. Please, he doesn't know I'm doing this right now, but just a little happy birthday wishes for Dirty Berry because he's one of my mentors in this.
Dirty Berry, I don't know what to say. It's a girl, Shenseea, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Big up yourself, Shenyang. Remember, say when I just come out with a name, them you talk about, enough to name them Seashells, so now the name Shenyang. Big up yourself, Dirty Berry. Earth strong.
All right, I'm have one more question, Shenyang. One more question. All right, hold on. Let me get on one knee for that one here. I need to get on one knee for that one here. Shenyang, we can strangle and tie you up like goat.
Man, go about your business.
joke, me, mate. The last question, please. We just ask for a drop for Yaadman Etan. That's it.
Etan?
Yeah, Yaadman Etan.
Etan?
Yeah.
Etan?
Yeah.
You like eat?
Listen now.
Hey, you don't know, so it's a girl Shenseea representing for Yaadman Etan. Shenseea straight from Jamaica representing in Atlanta. Yaadman, big up yourself.
Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you very much. And we can just get a hug from you, please. Hold on. Hold the mic.
Drop it, just drop it. Just drop it, though. All right.
Thank you for the support.
Of course.
Yo. Give me a picture real quick, brother. Just. Oh, no picture.
No, man, that's it.
Oh, picture.
Ah, mad. Thank you.
Turn on the flash.
Shit. Hold on.
Take it over.
Take it one more time.
Thank you very much.
Clean. Appreciate it. Thank you, people. Thank you. Better me a week for all of Bumbuckler. Bumbuckler, I'm waiting for this.
Thank you, brother.
Yo, as I said before, I was nervous doing that interview. And I've never been this nervous interviewing anyone before. And I just want to say the moral of the story is no matter what it is, once you set out a goal for yourself, go achieve it. Go get that success. Even when security says no, go and succeed. Don't bum me up. Go get that success. Ladies and gents, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. I don't know how the thing said. Shenseea, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I love you. Keep on doing you, my dear. Keep on making this great music and keep entertaining and keeping your Shenyangs happy. Yo, people that don't say it's your boy Yaadman Etan. And I have more videos from Atlanta Dekalb Carnival coming up. I'll be out.
For those people that don't say, boy, Yaadman Etan, my dear, please introduce yourself, boss.
Doc,
Doc.
Yes.
And who you represent?
EPA Security.
EPA Security.
Yes.
For them, I just want you guys to know right here, right now, this man right here was the one who was able to get the clearance for me to interview Shenseea. So, sir,
Yes.
let me shake your hand one more time.
Respect, brother.
I appreciate it so
I know
much.
that you're coming up. I know
Yeah.
what you're doing.
Yeah.
I respect the game.
Yes.
I respect you.
Yes.
And it's much love, bro. That's how we bring it up. Bring each other up.
Yes.
This is your shine. This is your time.
I appreciate it so
Make
much.
it happen, brother.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for allowing EPA to be a part of it.
Of course.
Don't
Of
forget
course.
us.
No, you made this happen. You made this happen. Thank you very much. No, I have to shake your hand one more time.
brother.
Isn't
Yes.
it? Thank you very much.
Easy now.
Because you don't know how much it's meant to me.
I think I can see it in your face, man. I think I can see it in your face. But much respect. Keep on doing it.
Of
Much
course.
success, brother.
Thank you. Thank you very
This is
much.
just the beginning.
Yes, just the beginning.
I want to see that grow. The Instagram. I want
Yeah.
to see the followers grow. Check this man out. He's doing real things in the field. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, brother.
Shake your hand one more time.
Will do.
Thank you.